What's up, mga pre? What's down? To this video, we're gonna check the hard disk whether it's good or bad or defective. This Oracle lending technology. Try this hardware. Okay. And the power cord is 12 volts. Sorry. Yeah. 12 volts output adapter. There's the connection, the power to DC, and then the USB. It may be the check first. It may be PC. Always. This is our PC. And here we go. Just open this PC or my computer. Let's check this hard disk. First we just switch on, then the USB you must plug in. That one must plug in, then the hard disk, then the hard disk, that one. Okay, let's check. Let's try. Just push the button of the power. And there you go. Just lightning. And this stuff, it may be good or bad. There's no display in our computer. Therefore, we power off. This hard disk must be either damaged or defective. We power off again. Then we eject the hard disk. And we also got another hard disk. And then we on again. In the computer, there's no reading. Also, the hard disk is defective. Two hard disks is defective. Just power off again. The light is off. Then we need to pull out the hard disk. And this one, just power again, and here we go. Something that one. This is good hard disk. That's all for now, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment below, and see you for the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.